Here at Viewrail, every glass panel is made to order, making custom shapes and sizes a part of our everyday operation. Let's take a look at how it's done. We start off by sending you a measuring kit, which contains guides and instructions for gathering precise measurements. You or your crew will record the measurements and send them to us. Our engineering team uses those measurements to custom design your system. They'll create drawings and send them to you. Nothing else happens until you're satisfied and sign off on those drawings. Next, the drawings are sent to our glass CNC machine, where all of your glass panels will be cut with pinpoint precision. After cleaning up the newly cut edges and washing the glass, your panels will take a trip through the tempering oven. This process hardens the glass, making your new glass railing safe and durable. Now that your glass panels are finished, we carefully crate them for safe travel to your job site. We successfully ship glass all over the country on a daily basis, so you can rest easy knowing that your panels will arrive intact and ready to install. Contact our design team today to take the next step toward glass railing for your project.